Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get Grand Theft Auto 5 on your mobile device completely for free. Very simple. Just go to your mobile web browser and go to this link right here you guys see. I'm going to go ahead and type in this link again just to make sure you guys see the link. This is the link where you're able to get Grand Theft Auto 5 on your mobile device completely for free, and the link will also be in the comments. Anyways, once you type in this link, go ahead and get started. You guys will see the website is right here where you can get Grand Theft Auto 5 on your mobile device. So we're on an iOS device. This also works on Android, but I'm just going to show you on iOS, but you can still follow the same principles on your Android. So because I'm on iOS, I'm going to hit download on iOS. Of course, if you're on Android, hit download on Android. So anyways, you guys can see here it says your download should begin automatically, and then it's going to redirect us to this page here where we have to install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app we install. And this is just some verification, and once you pass the verification, the Grand Theft Auto 5 will be installed immediately. Anyways, so I'm going to go ahead, and you guys saw I just clicked the first app from that list, and we're going to go ahead and start installing this first app. So we'll hit the download button, then we'll go back onto the list of apps and choose the second app. So you can choose any 2 apps from this list that you want, and as long as you complete the instructions below that app and you're also on the app for at least 30 seconds, on each app for at least 30 seconds, you will pass the human verification. Anyways, now that I'm installing the second app, I'm going to wait for the installation of both of these apps to complete so I can begin the human verification process. Alright, the installation is complete, and now we're going to begin. We're going to go on the first app, and very simple stuff on this first app. All I have to do is just make sure I'm on this game for at least 30 seconds. So I'm going to do the human interactions simply just by playing the game. So like I said, it's nothing complicated. You don't have to do a sequence of events. You just have to make sure you're on the app for at least 30 seconds. And during those 30 seconds, you're doing interactions on the app, which in this case, I can accomplish simply just by playing the game. So you guys will see here, I'm just going to continue playing this game. And I always like to go over a little over 30 seconds just to be sure the human verification goes through successfully, because it's always better to be safe than sorry. Just to make sure you don't accidentally go under 30 seconds when you think you're at 30 seconds. Always overshoot the timing just to make sure that you pass the human verification successfully. You guys can see I got him right in the kneecap. You know, I might as well have fun while doing the human verification. But anyways, I'm on to the second app. And the second app is the exact same thing here. I'm literally just going to play this game for at least 30 seconds. So let's get started. Let's just start playing a game. I'm going to hit start now here. And we're going against some random person, and we're just going to roll some dice and play this game, you know. So very simple stuff. Like I said, just make sure you're doing human interactions. It's very self-explanatory here. I'm just going to make sure I reiterate it because I hope everyone here does the human verification successfully and follows the instructions I told you guys to do, just to make sure you pass the human verification, because it's required that you pass the human verification. And after you pass the human verification, Grand Theft Auto 5 will be installed immediately. And I will show you guys how that works in a second. So yeah, I've completed the human verification on both apps, and you guys will see that Grand Theft Auto 5 will pop up in my device any second now. So we're just going to go ahead and wait. It'll only take a little bit since it was downloading in the background as I was doing the human verification. So once it's complete, it will just appear on my dashboard as you guys can see here. So just be patient. As long as you completed the human verification, Grand Theft Auto 5 will be installed onto your mobile device. So just be a little patient and make sure you go over 30 seconds on each app. And boom, you guys can see Grand Theft Auto 5 just appeared on my device, and now I can just go ahead and open up Grand Theft Auto 5, and I now have full access to this game on my mobile device. So very simple stuff. Just make sure you go on the link that will be in the comments, and you guys also saw that I typed in the link at the beginning of the video. So go to that link and follow all the instructions of this video, and you guys will have Grand Theft Auto 5 on your mobile device. It's as simple as that. So I'm just gonna wait for this game to load up and show you guys Grand Theft Auto 5 on the mobile device. But anyways, I'm gonna sign off now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just make sure, like I said, you go on the link that will be in the comments. I also typed it in the beginning of the video. Follow all the instructions, and you guys will have Grand Theft Auto 5 on your mobile device.